Look who's here. It's a big-time opportunity, Byron, as the title will be on the line here.
You're right, Michael, and judging from the response on social media heading into this match, we're likely to see a new champ crowned here tonight.
Johnny Gargano, Tommaso Ciampa. This is DIY.
Ciampa, Gargano, two men who went to war in NXT and came out the other side as an even stronger team.
They've main evented together and against each other, and it's brought them as close as a team can be.
Now we're about to see a new chapter in their history tonight.
The following contest is a 2 out of 3 falls match and is for the WWE Tag Team Championship. Introducing the challengers at a combined weight of 431 pounds and their opponents at a combined weight of 400 pounds. The WWE Tag Team Champions, Johnny Gargano and Tommaso Ciampa, DIY!
Some prestigious tag titles on the line right now. Tommaso Ciampa and Johnny Gargano teaming up tonight. They have seen trials and tribulations as a team and opponents.
I was lucky enough to call their wars in NXT, sometimes as teammates, but just as often as opponents. If they can stay united, they're a tough team to beat.
Perhaps the greatest tag team in NXT history. Let's see if that success continues here tonight.
This could be a night of tag team action at its finest.
Yeah, you can't ask for a much better matchup than the one in front of us, gentlemen. Watch out!
Oh, and he doesn't connect. What a shot. And sent right into the corner.
Uh-oh. Face full of turnbuckle.
Oh, he's got him where he wants him. Here we go. He's tagging out. Missed timing with that springboard. Oh, the heel hook. Stretch. Uh-oh. Elbow drop. And a tag there.
Wow, running leg drop bulldog. Great ups.
Oh, going up to the top rope. Hated cross body.
knee on the mark.
Teamwork could be exactly what makes the dream work in this title match.
Into the corner he goes, a perfectly placed target.
Set up, double super kick.
The communication between these two is evident by that move.
He's got it.
Oh, let's get it on.
Byron, what has tested the most in a superstar during a best of 2 out of 3 falls match?
This will test your endurance. It will test your mental strength, and it will test your ability to maintain focus.
Oh, more than anything, Saxton said you need tenacity. You have to be willing to try anything when it's tied 1-1. Dismantling the arm in the corner. Gotta hurt. Trying to take away that grip, that range of motion on that end.
Oh, what impact.
And Ciampa is the one having some pain inflicted on him.
Able to get there in time.
Oh! Cover! And easily kicks out of the count.
He is definitely struggling to keep him down at this point. Into the corner. This can't be good.
Kick.
Beautiful athleticism.
Hurricanrana.
A display of quickness. And you can bet that got the champ's attention.
Agility like that is what can set you apart from the rest of the locker room.
Don't do it.
Oh, straight to the floor.
Wildly throwing your body out of the ring like that is more often than not going to provide such a result.
That was an example of boldness backfiring. Taking out the knee.
This looks interesting.
Oh, face buster. They need to be aware of a count out right now. Well, at the last second, beat the count out. Johnny finding an opening. He got whipped into that corner. Uh-oh. Face first in the turnbuckle.
Look at this, using the rope into a stretch chicken wing.
German suplex. Forearm smash. Some hard offense landing on the champ.
Rolling neck snap. Brutal. Tag is registered.
Look at this. Clutching the wrist.
Oh, my God.
Torturing their opponent.
Just mangling the opposition.
Oh, ow.
Capped off with a knee to the spine.
He thinks he has it. His arm shot off the mat before one.
Not a whole lot of luster behind that kick out. Send him up here.
Up in the suplex.
Oh, no. Neck breaker. And the electricity of this moment is coursing through his veins.
He's taking a moment to feel the crowd, but he better focus on the opposition. Okay, already, we get it. Stop looking for adulation from the crowd and get back into the fight. Placed into the corner.
Look at this, going right after the left arm.
Gotta hurt.
Sent out to the middle.
Oh, super kick.
Uh-oh. Oh, to the back of the neck. What a lariat.
Boom! Knee right to the face. right in the jaw.
Ugh, what a shot. Look at this, going right after the left arm. Gotta hurt.
With the reversal. Hits him with the counter. There he goes, right into the corner.
Aided cross body on the mark.
The challenger eating up some damage.
Yeah, Ciampa attacked with a destructive purpose.
In full control here. Face full of turnbuckle. Torturous focus on the leg. Ooh.
Just breaking down the opponent.
We got a cover. And an effective pin.
How'd he do that? On the second rope. Oh, Enziguri.
He may get the 3 count right here.
I think so.
He stops the count for his partner.
Oh, man, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow. We'll be looking to end things here with the Cobra Clutch.
Fading quickly. He is determined not to lose this match right now.
DDT! Planted. Snapmare takedown.
Oh my, single leg drop kick.
Oh, that might have just broken something.
Taking a moment to get pumped off of this crowd's incredible energy.
Left by the turnbuckles.
Satellite DDT.
Will this be enough? He got the shoulder up in time.
Kicking out now sends a very clear message.
Oh, look at the well-placed elbow right on the mark. Tagged in. Bicycle knee to the face. Oh, right in the mat, face first.
That certainly wasn't pretty.
Oh! Tags him in.
He saw it coming.
Uh-oh.
The arms are hooked.
Tiger suplex. Is it enough? The cover. That's what they call me, the hot shot. A bad place to be for the challenger.
Evades the attack.
The springboard attack fails to land. Getting him into the tag. Super kick. Good night.
I think the champ's got it.
Cover. Oh, that was close.
This match continues. Tommaso Ciampa hooking the arms for a fairy tale ending.
The champ will stay champ.
Not the position you want to be in right now.
Oh, man, right to the esophagus.
This has been a colossal battle to this point. No superstar is showing signs of backing down.
We are seeing all their best on display, but it might just come down to who can take advantage of a pivotal mistake.
Overhand chop.
He's positioning himself, closing in. Ooh, stinging kick.
Ciampa gets countered there. Looking vulnerable on that top turnbuckle. And Ciampa hits back. Into the corner now. Uh-oh. Able to get the advantage here. Now, kick right to the gut. Setting them up.
Gonna see a new champ.
Amazing.
That was a matter of a fraction of a second.
A new strategy is needed right about now if that couldn't end things. He had it scouted. He may get the 3 count right here.
This is it.
Yeah, no, he doesn't get the 3.
Now is not the time to wallow in disbelief. Pressure must be kept on. Not a single person in this place is sitting down.
We might just be watching one of the greatest matches we've seen in quite some time here. In off the tag.
Talk about dismantling your opponent.
Oh, costly error there.
Reaches his partner for the tag.
Look at this. Oh, no! Tempted fate and paid dearly for it.
That haphazard approach definitely proved costly.
And he throws the opposition back into the ring.
Firm control.
Oh, jeez. Nasty kick to the face. Tagged into the action.
Powerbomb position.
Throwing down punches and counters out.
On a flying form smash. Tagging his partner in now. And the Blackheart falls victim to more offense there.
Ciampa loves these kinds of back and forth scraps, but if he's not careful, this one can slip away very soon.
Magic killer!
Too sweet. Look out!
Suicide dive!
Whatever it takes to win. That's playing fast and loose with your own body.
That is weaponizing your body. That's what that was.
Ciampa skillfully counters.
It is absolutely deafening in the building right now.
And Ciampa continues to muster up all the energy he can.
So relentless is the Blackheart. He will not stop fighting until his last breath. Both men now on the apron. This is a scary situation.
Are you kidding me? Off the apron to the floor.
Bicycle knee strike. Ouch. He knows how to avoid contact.
What a punch.
Kick to the gut. And
Big risk here. He may be counted out.
he might be oblivious to the count, guys. And more hits up there can leave you dazed.
Whip back into the ring.
There's not much room out there. The hardest part of the ring and a DDT.
Oh my gosh!
Look at the precision from Tommaso Ciampa.
Ciampa will stop at nothing to get ahead.